Hi, my name is Brandon Williams, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to tie a snap swivel onto fishing line, and then place a hook on the snap swivel and connect attach a worm to the hook. So the three things we're going to be needing today is a snap swivel. Some people like to call it a swivel hook. And the reason we use that is to keep the line from tangling as we reel it in. We're going to need a rubber worm. That's what we're going to be using today to catch bass. It's a great bait to catch bass. We're also going to need a hook. You can use many different size hooks. Alright, so after we have our line on the pole, our first step is going to be to take the line, the end of the line, and put it through the top hole in the snap swivel. After that, we're going to slide it down. So to tie the knot, we're going to put our finger right there to hold it, like that. Then we're just going to start turning the line around, spinning the line around. We put it through the bottom and then back into the top, and then pull through, and then pull it tight. Now we have the snap swivel tied onto the line. Now that that's done, we're going to be taking our hook right here. We're going to open up the snap swivel, place the hook on to the snap swivel, and close the snap swivel. Now that that's done, we've taken our worm. I'm going to take the hook, the tip, through the front of the worm, put it down and then through. We want to slide it all the way down the top of the hook over the snap swivel. And then we're going to line the worm up to the bottom of the hook and then insert it right there. Now we have a properly tied and closed snap swivel that is ready to fish.